Hey guys, welcome to my lecture. In this lecture, I am going to cover about math object. JavaScript math object is a top level, a predefined object for mathematical constants and functions. Cannot be created by the user. It is a predefined object. Mathematical properties and functions can be calculated by math property or math method. Then you will learn about accessing from fields. We want to be able to access all the data to a user entered from the HTML, and JavaScript make this easy. Here we have our event handler that we set up the last clip. We were listening for the submit event, and these two lines right here gives us access to the form files. On our form object there's a property called elements, and we can get access to each form control by using the form's name. So the name is user in this case, and the name is avatar file for our second input. And once we have these controls, we access the value property. So we log out user. Value is avatar file value, and we are still not ready to post to the server. So we'll leave in event prevent default. So here our code from the slide. I will save it, and I will just add some dummy values into the form. So for username we will put some as, and for avatar file we will put some ps. I will hit the submit button, and we get user value right here, and we get avatar file value right here. So this is how we get access to the fields in the form. We can go ahead and disable these fields, change their values on perform any method or work with any other properties. And one thing, we might want to do some kind of validation on these values. Let's create a math object example. See heading JavaScript math square root, then print HTML is equal to math square root 64. Show another hands on practical example. This example you can look JavaScript math power, then print math power 8 of 2.